baby.
See, I've told you time without number that this can't work.
But you can't do this to me now, eh? Please.
Look, my family doesn't agree with your family.
I know.
We can't continue with this.
Please.
Oh! Hey, this man!
Hey, stop! I said stop! What's wrong with you people? What's the problem? This Sunday morning that you're supposed to be in church, you are here on the streets shouting and doing what I don't know. I'm going to church this Sunday morning, so I would like the both of you to follow me to church. Morning, my brother. Hope all is well. Very well. It's just these two young couples who are still immature. Young couple? Yeah. I can't see any young couple here. Can't you see the two people that are standing here with me? That's so crazy they start. Hey,
we must learn a lesson.
So you can see us.
What do you mean?
Yes.
I can't see the both of you. I have a man here and a woman on my right.
Okay.
What do you mean?
You can see us. See, the problem here is that we are late.
You are late for church? Even me too, I'm late for church.
That's not what he's trying to say. He's trying to say that we are dead, like we are spirits. So you can actually see us like this. Wow.
No, I can't see you for again. God bless
If you move.
The blood of Jesus.
I don't die for this life.
See,
I don't die.
We are in love. But my family from the underworld doesn't agree with our family. Hey, Jesus! But from the way you spoke to us, shows you can convince our families to allow us get married.
I got late for church this Sunday morning. I'm on my way to church. I can't even see the two of you. I'm not in council long. I leave it.